If you're running ads on Meta, you need to be so clear on what you should be willing to pay to acquire a customer. Ultimately, as everyone has seen over the last couple of years, it's gotten more and more expensive to acquire a customer. And as that's happened, it's eaten into our margins dramatically. In this example, as you can see, let's say we have a $100 AOV. Our product costs are 30, shipping costs are 4, tax is 23. And ultimately that leaves, and accounting for our marketing spend 25, we have $14.55 of profit left over, which ultimately on the first order is something to show for, which is certainly the first step. The challenge lies here, whereby our marketing spend goes from 25 to 35. Might not seem much on its surface, but that's ultimately contracted our profit. So ultimately we've only $4.55 left. And what that means is if we go from 14.55 to 4.55, we need to drive 3 times the number of orders in order to make the same profit. And that ultimately explains the situation that a lot of people have found themselves in. So ultimately, one thing we've generated is a free order profit calculator, which helps businesses actually understand the true unit economics of their business, actual costs, and in turn, the total amount they can actually afford to spend to acquire a customer. So let's say, as an example, we have our $100 average order value. 40 in euro in this case, actually, product costs. 4 for packing, shipping is 5, 23% tax rate, and then we have our transaction fees. So again, make sure accounting for all of these variables, what's the true profit generated? In this case, by easily plugging in your numbers, you'll see that this is €26.25 in this scenario. And ultimately, that if you're willing to invest that full amount into acquiring that customer, and be kind of break even by order 1, you can then afford to spend €26.25 to acquire that customer. Alternatively, if you don't necessarily need to be first order profitable, you're not a furniture business in which you can maybe expect someone back quicker than 2 years' time, and maybe it's health, beauty, supplements, clothing, anything like this. If you can afford to wait, spend more, acquire a larger number of customers, and spend up to €52, then on that basis, you'll be profitable by order 2. Equally by order 3 or order 4, ultimately this gets up much more dramatically. Now, the important consideration is here, if you're waiting till order 2, 3, and 4, you better be sure that those customers are going to come back. And ultimately, on average, not just a small portion, but on average, you need to make sure customers come back at least 4 times. So ultimately looking at the lifetime value over time, seeing what a customer is worth to you after 3, 6, 9 months within Store Hero, that's ultimately the true value of that. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link to our free order profit calculator in the description. Take a look. If it's something that you haven't gone through the exercise of doing before, it's so important, and you shouldn't be running ads until you're clear on this exact number that you can afford to spend as well.